Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the ground.
Hey babes, it's Deme B, and welcome to another edition of Tipsy Upon Arrival, where I share with you my travel and food gems. Today I will be sharing with you a room and hotel tour for the Pine Cliffs Hotel, a luxury collection in the Algarves, located in Albufeira, Portugal. We stayed in room 236, which was a deluxe room resort view with 2 twin beds, just enough space for me and my mom. The room was 366 square feet. It had all of the USB outlets, so if you don't bring your charger to change over for Europe, you'll be perfectly fine as long as you have that USB cord. The bedding was so soft and so plush. If you ever had a chance to purchase their luxury sheet collection, yes, you can buy that from your home, then you'll know that it was definitely very inviting. And I fell in love with that marble headboard. Like, let me take it home. The bathroom was also spacious. It had a separate shower and tub. And let me just add, during my stay, everyone at the hotel were so friendly, welcoming, accommodating, giving us suggestions on places to go in town, because this is located about 25 minutes from Old Town Albufeira. So if that's where you want to go to party at, to eat at, very easy and accessible to take Ubers and cabs to and from. We also had a stunning little outdoor space that had views of the resort, but if you saw the first clip in the video, that if you go out your front door, like, you can see the ocean view right there, and it's a stunning view. During your stay, the one thing you won't go is hungry. They have 22 restaurant and bar options here, and depending on the times that you go, some are closed on certain days, so you just want to be aware of that. A special shout out goes to the truffle pasta that I had at Peri Peri Steakhouse. It was mouth-watering amazing. This hotel just had like views upon views upon views, and it had a lot of activities. Like, if you didn't want to leave the hotel, you would be set yoga in the garden, cooking classes, cocktail making classes. Like, you literally could just stay there and actually vacation. Now, to get to the actual beach portion, the hotel is on the cliff, so you have to take the elevator down and then walk about a half a mile to get to the beach. But the beach, I didn't really get into the ocean. The water was freezing. This was September, but it still was a gorgeous beach. Now, my favorite spot in the whole resort was Mirador Champagne Bar, which, surprise, surprise, you know I'm a cocktail connoisseur. They open up at 5 p.m. every day, and they do a sunset countdown and announcement, and it's just a gorgeous spot just to have cocktails and watch the sunset. Well, I want to thank you, babes, for watching, and if you have any questions regarding my Algarve hotel stay, make sure you drop them down below, and until next time.